Okay, this certifies that Ayon Lucas M. Loreto has successfully finished the summer class given this 30th day of May 2025 at Eastern Visayas Christian Heritage Academy, Sitiwangan, Barangay Kablaan, Alvaro Leyte, signed by Pastor Delphine A. Perlas, the principal, and teacher Mary Jane Aldamia. Okay, congratulations, Ayon Lucas. Okay, please stand up. Please come forward yan.
Sit down, honor, today.
Dali ka ha. Dali ka ha. Sige, dali ka ha. Silang kini atong. Sige, dali ka. Congratulations. Ato ba tayo? Ato ba smile? Smile.
Last na niya.
Dali ka sa tunga.
Wala. Wala nagma.
Give mo na ni. Give niya ate. Okay, congratulations, Franco Dimitri Latore.
Sige na.
Sing, stand up here, stand up. Actually, pag may question na start. Franco, tanang. Thank you. Congratulations. Next. Congratulations, John Helen Victoria Bote. John Helen.
Anong kunin mo?
Hindi na mapirmahin pa ni teacher.
Ay, lalo?
Wag kang mapitulog. Okay. Congratulations, Yunalisa Isidra Calabia. And last but not the least, congratulations, Sharon Faith Perlas. Sige, balik sa teacher kung dinikit man ako. Okay, good job mga bata ha. Okay, may snack na nila. Ngayon nag-sponsor sa snacks nila. Okay. Ay, napanihatag si teacher. Okay. Come, Helen. Okay, mga buutan mo mga bata. Helen. Wagan.